Welcome guys, welcome. Before we move on into design our website, our WordPress website per se, I quickly want to make this video for you, for some of you that you normally run into the issues of not being able to upload plugins and themes that are heavy to your WordPress website. Number one, I'll first of all identify the challenge, why it happens. Then number two, I will show you exactly how to do it. I have had to send plugins and themes and so on and so forth to some of my students and friends, and they'll come back to me that the plugin is not uploading, the theme is not uploading, this is not happening, that is not happening. I'll be like, it's uploading. If it doesn't upload, how am I able to use it on my own WordPress website? So in some of the cases, or most of the cases, what we normally find out is the fact that there is a particular limit to what their WordPress website or WordPress platform can accommodate in terms of uploading a plugin or anything totally into WordPress. So that is the problem we want to resolve today. Let us go to the blog, that the WordPress website that we installed in our previous video, mrplanb.com.ng/wp admin. This is it. Mr. Plan B is the username I set, and this is the password I set. It may not bring it like that in your own case. You may have to type it in by yourself, because I've already logged in here before. That's why it brought it, and I've already clicked on save those details, so that is why it is like that. So let me show you why most of you will not be able to upload more than a particular limit on your new WordPress platform unless you actually go and expand it or increase it. So this is where we check it. If you try to add anything new on your blog, on your WordPress blog, you'll see that the maximum upload file size that you can upload is actually 2 MB, which is quite small compared to, although most plugins are light in nature, they are light in size, but there are some of them that are highly sophisticated. Like, for example, the most popular plugin that we use for sales page creation, opt-in page creation, and so on and so forth, Insta Builder, that plugin is about 40 MB. If you want to upload it into a blog like this, it will not upload. So that is why majority of you do have issues. Let me show you the plugin actually. This is the plugin, Insta Builder, and you can see the size, 40.8 MB. So how do I upload such into my plugin when into my WordPress when my WordPress cannot take more than 2 MB? So to solve that problem, let me go to another browser and go to my Cpanel. Let me go to my hosting Cpanel now. That is, you cannot do it from here. Even if there is a way you can do it from here, that is not the one I want to show you. The one I want to show you is the easiest and how to do it from your Cpanel. So you go to Mr. Plan B. Don't forget that when I registered for my hosting in the previous video, they gave me a particular link to be logging into my Cpanel. It was when we logged into the Cpanel that we were able to install WordPress. I am sure you are following me. So Cpanel. It should ask me to log in, or it may just take me in. Okay, this is my Cpanel username. This is also my password. So I'll just log in. If you do not know how to get this, just go into your email. When you register for hosting, they will send you an email to log into Cpanel and some other emails. So when you land there, just click on File Manager. It will open in another page. When you click on File Manager, click on Public HTML. Then click on WP Includes. Click on that file. Now locate the file that says default. That is our file. What is this? Default constant. Yes, this is the file that we need. You will not double click, you will not open it, you will not do anything. Just click on it once. Once it is highlighted like this, then you come to click on edit. Click on edit, then click on edit again. That will also open another in another page. Don't be worried about all these codes. This is maybe one of the closest you will get to working with codes using WordPress. So we don't usually, when you are using WordPress, we don't work with code. So you want to locate file lines where you have WP memory limit and WP memory limit here and here. You can see one is 64 megabyte and one is 40 megabyte. So here you want to increase this to 128 megabyte, and you also want to increase this to 128 megabyte, and that is what you want to do. Just leave it and click on save changes. It should tell you that it has saved successfully. So success, and you are fine like that. So anytime, it means that you can upload anything under 128 megabyte on your WordPress website. So that is how to increase the file upload limit on your WordPress. Thank you, and see you in the next video.